I'm afraid I might. Wow, thanks, Spider-Man.
Everybody gets one. Tell him, Peter.
Apparently everybody gets one.
Bingo.
Hey,
Yes, sir?
did you find a girl?
No, sir. No female body.
How's the front of the store?
Screw up, no traces, just like you asked.
Where's his other phone? Okay, you wanna find it?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Thank you.
I got the clue gun.
What was that?
His eyeball's still inside. I think some of the epidermal muscle.
You okay? Oh, good. Because he's not, so why don't you fucking stabilize him? C7 protocol.
Yes, sir.
Or you could follow C7 protocol. Like I said, I'm sorry, did I stutter? Thank you, go with the crew.
Dude, looks like he stitched it himself.
Aren't you? I'll meet you there. You're just gonna come with me, okay? Come with me. We're just gonna go in the car, okay? Shut up! I swear to God, it's you. If you make one sound, okay? I'm gonna take my hand away now and you just be quiet, okay? All right? It's okay. There you go.
Here's Dr. Kerr.
We did what we could. He'll live. Good. Money's been wired to your account in Switzerland. Stick around, make sure to monitor him. Spin. Knock next time.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Sorry, sir.
Just like I always do. Hey, boss, can you hear me? I've got a present for you. I found her.
I found the horn. I killed her for you. Your knife was so sharp. It was way easier than...
I had to. She was a loose end. I didn't know about the barn. You know, I didn't know about the old mortician that you made the cash deal with. Let's keep it here. I can contain it all here. I've already cleaned everything up for you. What? He's anxious.
Face.
Why didn't he come to me?
It's the old chrome plating factory that the shelter company owns. The fixins.
I'll handle it. Fucking handle everything anyway. Seeing him, he's fucking useless. You know what? Let him have his last bit of fun. Get the fuck out of my office. Now. Cut it! Put it down. Do me a favor. Take 6 of these and strip the handle down, and then weld them together like the blades. All right. And then put tension. All right. Got that? Make sense?
Oh yeah, we got it.
Go ahead. Sir, it without informing us. All right, I really don't want the same situation to happen. Could you? God, look, this is tape. I swear to God, if you move, I'll kill you. All right, I'm having a conversation here. I can do some of the legwork for you. Wasn't alone. That there was a kid named Tommy that was with her. You know, I've been busting my ass trying to track. Right now, You realize that kid can. You wanna fucking go rogue and get your face fucked? You know what, you're so that he's not ready to taste you yet. You're really fucking tough. He's gonna do horrible shit to you. You know that? Those fucking things. I mean, they make me sick. You know what I don't get? I don't get the fanfare and the fucking exhibition. You know what the fucking Band-Aid technique. You wanna know what he does to him? In the coffins? Yo, come here.
Is the kid from the motel still with you? Yeah, I'm poking around. I'll let you know what I find out.
Please don't do this. Please. No.
Sit. How you doing? How are you?
Sir.
You're really pretty. You know that? Just sit around and wait. He's usually pretty punctual. It's kind of his... I'm gonna let you breathe for a little while. All right?
I'm almost legally blind. I would never be able to identify you.
What?
I promise I wouldn't be able to identify
Should I give you to him? Should I take you myself? I could use the practice. You know what? Right. It's not the mask. It's intimidating. It's the man behind it.
Who the hell is that?
This is gonna be over quick, all right? So one way or the other, one. All right. Box seat. Hey, boss, you recognize? Loose end. I fixed it, though. It's what I do. I am a fixer. Listen, I know he's not really your type, so can I just kill him? It's up to you. Why don't you two run around the facility a little bit, find something to hit me in the head with or stab me with, something fun. I'll be right back. And then I'll find you two. Let's go right here. dead by then. Fuck you! I've done everything for you! Fuck you! That little fucking bitch can't get you! Wait, don't, come on! Mistake, okay? You're making a mistake! Can we... Oh, shit, Hey. I know you, right? I know you better than anybody else fucking knows you. What? No. I fucked up, okay? I fucked up, alright? That's... I just made a mistake, okay? Cut me some slack, alright? Oh, just cut me some slack. Hey, you can teach me, okay? Just teach me everything you know. I'll start from the ground floor, I swear to God. I fucked up, man. I'm sorry. Will you teach me